Hello everyone, I am Chetan from the Department of English, Teresian College, Mysore, Karnataka. In this video, I am going to give you the basic information about a very famous literary term called sonnet in our literature. Basically, we all know what is a sonnet. There are certain things what we have understood. The sonnet is a lyrical poem which is written in 14 lines. But addition to that, in this video, in this session, in this lecture, I would like to give certain more information about this term called sonnet. Sonnet is a lyrical poem written in 14 lines in iambic pentameter. Basically, the word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song. So the term sonnet was coined by a famous poet called Francisco Petrarch, who was also known as father of humanism. And he named his sonnets as Petrarchan sonnet or Italian sonnet. So remember, Francisco Petrarch was the first person to coin a term called sonnet, officially coin a term called sonnet. Later, he wrote it in Italian language, and the reason why he named it as Italian sonnet. He divided his sonnets into two parts as follows. The first part, in the 14 lines, he divided his sonnet into two parts. The first part is known as octave, means the first 8 lines. The next part, that is the second part, he named it as sestet, means 6 lines. So 8 plus 6 is 14 lines again. So this is what the formation, this is what Francisco Petrarch framed as a sonnet in his own language. Later, let me also tell you who introduced and how the sonnet was divided into in English. Later, sonnet was introduced to English by a famous writer, 15th century writers, Thomas Watt and Earl of Surrey. They copied the format of sonnet. They carried the format of sonnet from Italian language to English. So they were the first two authors or the sonneteers to start to write sonnet in English. And they named their sonnet as English sonnet, and later days it was also known as Shakespearean sonnet. Let me talk about the division. Let me talk about the parts of this sonnet, of this English sonnet. This English sonnet is divided into 4 parts mainly, whereas we divide it into 3 quatrains and 1 couplet. So there are totally 4, where we say it as quatrain 1, quatrain 2, quatrain 3, and then last comes couplet. So 1 quatrain is equal to 4 lines. So totally 3 quatrains, 4 lines into 3 quatrains, 4 into 3 is 12, and the last one is couplet, means 2 lines. So this is how the sonnet developed in our country, in literature. And meantime, we also see that Shakespeare started using especially this English sonnet in writing his terms. Meanwhile, we also see that we all know very well that Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets, and particularly we should appreciate Shakespeare because he has used only the one form in his writing in all his sonnets, that is English sonnet. Thank you.